is so easy.
Today I will teach you how to make a vegetarian dish called stir-fried sweet potato leaves with dried shrimp and sambal chili that goes really well with rice. Spicy and appetizing, a home-cooked dish that can be made in 5 minutes. Vegetarian food can also be super delicious. Sweet potato leaves are highly nutritious, packed with vitamin C, iron, and fiber, a low-calorie, antioxidant-rich superfood. Their tender texture and mildly sweet flavor pair perfectly with sambal chili, creating a deliciously vibrant and healthy dish. Ingredients: sweet potatoes, leaves, vegan dried shrimps, sambal sauce. Let's stir-fry sweet potatoes with my newly bought vegan sambal sauce. Vegetarian dried shrimps are made from soy protein. They are dried and seasoned to imitate the salty and fresh flavor of dried shrimps. Sweet potatoes, wash and set aside. Add cooking oil and let's start cooking. Add vegan dried shrimps and stir-fry until crispy and fragrant. Crispy vegan shrimp flakes are perfect as a crunchy snack, a topping for fried rice, congee, or salads, and even as a noodle mix-in or dipping sauce booster, versatile and delicious. Add a spoonful of vegan sambal paste and stir-fry. The aroma of fragrant sambal chili fills the air as you stir-fry, smoky, spicy, and utterly irresistible. Add a spoonful of water. Bring it to boil. Add sweet potatoes, leaves, and stir-fry. Sweet potato leaves shrink significantly when cooked, so be sure to prepare extra quick stir-fry over high heat. Locks in moisture for the perfect tender texture. Since the vegetarian sambal chili is already seasoned, I only need to add a little vegetarian fish sauce. Remember to adjust it according to your own taste. Stir-fry sweet potato leaves over high heat for just 1 to 2 minutes. Remove from the wok as soon as the leaves wilt, but stay vibrant green for perfect crisp tenderness. Overcooking makes them soggy and dull. Sweet potatoes is ready to be served. This dish is a perfect flavor-packed rice killer, spicy, savory, and ridiculously easy to whip up in minutes. If you like the crispy texture, you can sprinkle some crispy vegetarian dried shrimps on it after frying and eat it together. Sweet potato leaves are a nutrient-packed queen of greens, loaded with vitamins C, iron, and fiber, boosting immunity, aiding digestion, and low in calories. Their antioxidants help fight aging, while their tender, slightly sweet taste makes them delicious with just a quick stir-fry. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration.
Is vegetarian boring?
Plant-based eating is incredibly fun. From mushroom stems transformed into vegan shrimp to silken tofu mimicking scrambled eggs and nut creams replacing dairy. Who says vegetarian food is boring or bland? Creative techniques unlock explosive umami in plants like this sambal stir-fried sweet potato leaves, so robustly spicy and savory it rivals meat dishes. One bite will make you exclaim, "I never knew veggies could be this mind-blowing." My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference, whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.